this time we have to insert the other color, so we have to find the where we end our black color, and then do the snippet of the red, and then insert your hook, and yeah, that is how you do it. And then chain one, then on the next stitch make a double crochet. So the same process as what we did on the black colored yarn. So you have to do one double crochet in each loop that we did a while ago. Alright, so okay, so I'm sorry for the background again, because I live in the near the highway, and then yeah, there is a lot of, you know, cars, motors passes by, and then I have big family, so you can hear some noise. Alright, so in this part we have to do the slip knot, and then chain 2, the same process, make a double crochet on the next stitch, and then do this process repeatedly until you reach the desired, until you reach the very end. Okay, so again, do the slip stitch. Alright, so and then chain 1, and then cut your yarn, and then pull through. So we are done with our red yarns. Now let's do the yellow yarn, and then slip knot, then find the end, okay, and then pull, insert your hook, and then pull the yellow yarn, and then chain 1, secure your yarn tail, chain 2, 3. Okay, so on the next chain, or the next loop, we have to do 1 double crochet. So the same process as what we did on the yarn, the black colored yarn and the red colored yarn. So this is just an easy round. So this is just easy, ulit-ulit. So this is beginner friendly. Alright, so okay, we have to repeat this process and secure our yarn tail, and so that to prevent unraveling. Okay, and then as what we did a while ago, just repeat the process. Alright, so we have to make as the same, and so we are now done our desired length. Okay, for this round, this is the last round, we have to insert our black yarn, and then do chain 1, and then in the next stitch we have to make half double crochet. So half double crochet, because this will be our end round of this tutorial, end round of our Rasta crochet Rasta bonnet with hole for dreadlocks. Okay, this will be the part of our forehead. Okay, so that is why we have to make this half double crochet, so that it is it's not just a very easy to expand. Okay, ayan. So here we have to do the string, because since this is this bonnet has a hole, so if you desire to close it, so you can easily close it with a string. Okay, I made 110 chains for the string, and then to insert our string. Okay, just find a hole. It's up to you where you put your string. Okay, your desired space. Alright, so what we did is I just compare it, or I just, just follow what I did, or you can make your own. What I did is I count 4 double crochets, and then okay, to make the pom-pom, you have to do this for 30 counts. 30, or it's up to you of how many rounds you are going to make. It's up to you. Okay, but for me, I made 30 rounds. Okay, just tie at the very center of the rounds. Secure it very tightly, and then cut. So, ayan. Ganyan ang gawin para magiging pom-pom siya. And then we have to cut all the excess length of the yarn. Okay? Okay. So, yan. Okay, you can use your hook, or you can use your yarn needle to insert the string to the pom-pom. Pom-pom-pama. Yeah. Okay. This project is for my boyfriend's birthday. So I made him this because he likes to have this, and then he likes to have an artificial dreadlocks. So I decided to make a string just like this. Okay, I made 60 chains for the artificial dreadlocks, and then ang ingay nila sa baba. They are watching TV kasi. They're watching movie. So for the artificial dreadlocks, I inserted it here. Okay, just find the space between the two between two double crochets, and then I inserted the string. Okay. Then to make it attractive, I put 2 beads on the string and string. Okay. So, but it's up to you if how many beads you like to put, or if you don't like to have this. So it's up to you. It's for your own preference. But